How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and in the interface that you will be led to. Tap on the Google account option you see there. Further, tap on the security and sign in option and now go ahead and scroll through and you will see the option for manage all devices. So tap on the manage all devices option under the your devices tab. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the devices that has been connected with that particular account. So simply tap on the device you think is suspicious and you will be required to enter your account password. So enter the password and tap on next and you will see the option for sign out. So tap on the sign out option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on sign out again, and with this, that particular device will be removed from your account. So this was how you can sign out YouTube account from other devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.